My experience here was really lovely. We had a group of 24 people and it felt like a family. We were super blessed to come together, and I think the space that was created by the teachers really created a comfortable, aware, caring environment that we were able to access emotional relevance as we were learning about the ecosystem around us. I primarily came to bring my permaculture knowledge to an understanding into how to implement it into a design. And I feel like I really got that out of this class. I was pulling all the threads together and actually making something out of it. I feel like the class provided so much knowledge. I mean, there's so many different things to know within the world of permaculture, and they gave us a taste of everything. We got to see so many different projects that are happening within this county, within this landscape, and to see people practicing permaculture not only here at Wild Abundance but on the larger, broader spread of this territory is pretty amazing. I feel inspired. It was a great experience. I would say just do it. Like, I think what's been cultivated at Wild Abundance, it's like truly providing an abundant habitat for all of the people who are working here, for the people who are participating as students. You know, I think that communally there's already this like density of beautiful people that you'll be engaging with who are here. And these are these inviting arms that are already welcoming you in, and then the landscape at large is just beautiful. It's just so stunning out here and so lush.